So this is Rooing. Once a year the sheep shed their wool, and naturally. And here we're helping her. Instead of shearing, we just kind of pull off the fibers that are going to come off anyways. It's a natural break and it's very oily. So sometimes what I do is pull it to the sides, away from each other, and then pull it up, which helps it separate easier and not pull as much on her. Here's a good example. You kind of put away from each other and then pull, away from each other and then pull. There you go.
That's it for our video. Make sure you subscribe.
Thank you for watching.